In this tutorial, we will discuss about controller in Codeigniter4. So if we open our project in code editor, then you can see that we have two controllers which are created by default in fresh project. So we will create our new controller. So I'm going to create a new PHP file and I'm naming it as student. Here I will create a new function, display. So now let's run the server. So go inside your project directory. Open command prompt and type the command php space spark space serve. Now our local server is running. So go inside your browser and open localhost port 8080. So this is our default controller, which is home.php. So now we want to view this controller. So in URL we will pass our controller name, which is student, then our function name, which is display. That display function is this. So when I hit enter, then there is nothing on the screen because we have nothing to do in display function. So we will return a view from display. So create a new view inside views folder. To save our time, I am going to create a HTML file. I'll name it as student. And I'm giving the title as student. And in body, for testing purpose, I'm going to write hello students. Now load this view inside the controller. For this, just return view and pass the name of view, which is student. Now try to reload your web page. Sorry, this file should be PHP file. So I'm going to rename this file to .php. Now try to reload the page and we will get our message. So this is the basic functionality of loading view inside the controller. So now we will pass few variables to the view to display some value dynamically on the view. To pass variables, we can pass variables in second parameter, which will accept an array of data. So I'll pass new array and first value would be the name. In name I am passing my own name. Now try to access this variable inside our view. To access this variable, inside the HTML code, write your PHP command. You can write like this, PHP, and echo your variable, and the variable is name. So I'm going to write name here. Now if I try to reload my page, then I'll get my dynamic value on my view. Here I can also use the equal to sign, which is similar to the PHP echo code. So if I reload this page, then I'll get the same result as previous. To pass more variables, we will pass in the array like age, and we can access this here. And reload our page, and our variable is displayed on the view. So this is how we can pass variables to our view and display that data dynamically. We can do the same thing with database. We can fetch data from database in our controller and pass that data to our view to display data from database to your view. And we can also display data from user input. So we will do the same thing in our next video. So in our next video, we will discuss about HTTP request. So we will pass variables from browser and display on the view. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends as well, so I can create more valuable content for you. Follow us on other social media accounts as well. Links are in description of this video.